If you think casino numbers are just lights and jingles, think again. Maryland's October haul was $162.1 million. It funds classrooms, it funds racetracks, it funds small businesses. Here are the headlines. 6 Maryland casinos combined for $156,573 in October 2025, a 1.0% gain versus October 2024. The state's share, $69.6 million in contributions. State contributions up 1.5%, including $50.16 million to the Education Trust Fund. That's a 1.4% bump for schools. MGM National Harbor led the pack with about $67.9 million. It dipped 1.9% from last October. Live, casino and hotel posted $59.7 million, up 1.7%. Horseshoe Baltimore surged 12.7% to $15.5 million. Ocean Downs climbed 11.1% to $15 million. Rocky Gap edged up slightly to $4.4 million. Hollywood Casino fell 10.5% to $6.45 million. Through the first 4 months of FY 2026, casinos generated $649.5 million, down 2.1% year over year, state contributions down 1.4%. Gaming revenues support local jurisdictions. They support Maryland's horse racing industry. They support small, minority, and women-owned businesses. For full monthly reports, visit mdgaming.com. If gambling stops being fun, get help. He's a one-tur-dur. Or visit mdgamblinghelp.org. Play responsibly.